Hi everyone, welcome to LearnLab, and welcome to the world of supervised learning, the fundamental building block behind most of the artificial intelligence we use today. Imagine this classic classroom, but with a digital twist. Instead of a child, a sleek robotic machine sits in the student's seat. The machine learns by observing examples. We feed it images of dogs, cars, and houses, each paired with a clear, glowing digital tag. These tags, or labels, are the ground truth. They tell the machine exactly what it is looking at, so it can learn patterns. To understand the fundamentals, we must look at inputs and outputs. Let's use a simple fruit classification example to illustrate this. When the machine sees an apple, it doesn't just see a fruit. It identifies specific features like its roundness, red color, and stem. The teacher provides the final answer. This is an apple. This mapped relationship between features and labels is how the AI builds knowledge. Later, when presented with a new, unlabeled fruit, the AI compares it against its learned memory bank to make a prediction. One of the most common applications of this technology is the spam filter in your email inbox, working silently every day. The system distinguishes between good emails, shown here as blue envelopes, and spam, which are red and slightly glitchy. The AI zooms in on filtering logic, identifying suspicious keywords like free money or urgent action required within the message body. This detection model was built by analyzing millions of previously labeled spam messages, learning the subtle signatures of unwanted content. Supervised learning also masters continuous data, such as predicting real estate prices through a process called regression. Data points representing square footage and price float above the houses, creating a cloud of information for the AI to process. A best fit line or regression line draws itself through the cloud, representing the mathematical relationship between size and value. When a new house appears with no price tag, the AI analyzes its features and predicts a value instantly. In the medical field, supervised learning helps save lives by assisting doctors in diagnosing complex conditions from scans. Doctors teach the AI by labeling thousands of historical scans as either healthy or concern, providing a massive training set. The AI acts as a tireless assistant, flagging specific areas of interest for the human expert to review more closely. This process relies on a continuous training loop. When the machine makes a guess, the teacher provides feedback to correct it. With every correction, the machine adjusts its internal weights, becoming more accurate and reliable over time. From spam filters to medical breakthroughs, supervised learning connects these diverse applications into a central core of intelligence. Remember the formula: data plus expert labels equals an intelligent future. Join us in the next lesson to explore unsupervised learning. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more video like this.